Hey everyone, Simon Says Money here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be updating you guys on the blockchain stocks, MARA, Riot, and SOS, as well as giving a brief history on the SPAC stocks. Now before we get on to this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I make content on the stock market and investing, so together we can hopefully achieve financial freedom. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor or CPA. Please use your own investment decision, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Now let's get on to this video. Looking at the charts for today, the Dow Jones was down a little, 1 point, and it has been overall pretty flat the past couple weeks. Looking at the SPY, it has been down more than the Dow. The last 2 days was red day, and today it was down 5.1 point at 1.3%. It's at $381. There was a big spike down towards the afternoon trading, towards the end of market close. Last but not least, we have the QQQ or the Nasdaq. It has been down more than the SPY, the S&P 500, and the Dow Jones. So look at this downtrend, and today was a huge red day, down 9.24 points at $309, down 2.9%. So pretty bad for the tech stocks today. Volatility looks like it's making a comeback on Wall Street. Tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite dropped over 2.7% after shedding 4.9% last week. The weakness came as the 10-year Treasury yield extended its advance. The benchmark rate climbed more than 8 basis points to a high of 1.49% Wednesday before retreating slightly. The 10-year U.S. Treasury note yield is keeping investors on edge. Last week, the yield surged to a high of 1.6% in a move that some describe as a flash spike. Hopefully, it will not go up again to 1.6% as it did last week. Cyclical sectors like energy and financials are also continuing to outperform the broader market due to optimism about vaccines and economic resurgence, though some are cautioning the rotation is overdone. Recovery stocks such as cruise line, airlines, travel stocks are doing well. It looks like that we have been in the middle of a correction, at least for tech stocks, because Nasdaq has been down for the last 2 weeks. Let's take a look at the history, which should help us understand better the current situation. Between 1980 and 2018, this is what happened for an average correction. For the frequency, it has one correction per year. The length is around 71.6 days. The depth is 15.6 down per correction. The impact, 3 points: uncertainty, volatility, and media alarmism. For the current correction, it has been happening since around the February 16, 2021. The S&P 500 is down 4%. Nasdaq is down more than 10%. Tech stocks, which is the Nasdaq, is down. And people are seem to rotating their stocks to more the traditional stocks like the airlines and the recovery stock. And the Dow Jones is almost unchanged. 36 corrections happened between 1980 and 2018. 5 corrections resulted in longer bear markets. 31 corrections transitioned relatively quickly back to bull market. Because I have crypto stocks such as MARA, RIOT, and SOS, as I presented in several of my videos, and I have high conviction of them, I would like to update them a bit. Goldman Sachs restarts a cryptocurrency desk amid Bitcoin boom. Goldman Sachs restarted its cryptocurrency trading desk. The company is also exploring the potential for a Bitcoin exchange traded fund, or ETF. The trading desk reboot comes amid growing interest by institutions in Bitcoin, which has soared more than 470% over the past year. The news, along with other news like MicroStrategy's purchase of additional Bitcoins yesterday, shows the institutions have high conviction in Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. Based on this, I believe that I will continue to hold these 3 stocks: MARA, RIOT, and SOS. Today, I would like to talk about SPAC. First, let's watch a clip from CNBC regarding Charlie Munger.
He sounded the alarm on the SPAC craze at yesterday's virtual annual meeting for the Daily Journal, which is his other company. He was answering shareholder questions via Yahoo Finance live stream. And in it, the 97-year-old Munger made clear that he is not a fan of all this SPAC speculation.
I don't participate at all, and I think the world would be better off without them. I think this kind of crazy speculation in enterprises not even found or picked out yet is a sign of an irritating bubble. It's just that the investment banking profession will sell as long as can be sold.
Charlie Munger, vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway and longtime partner to Warren Buffett, said on Wednesday that he has avoided the speculative interest surrounding special purposes acquisition companies, which is known as SPACs, and urged other traders to consider doing the same. Munger said, quote, "I don't participate at all, and I think the world would be better off without them." The 97-year-old billionaire investor continues to say, "I think this kind of crazy speculation in enterprises not even found or picked out yet is a sign of an irritating bubble." SPACs, or blank check companies, had a banner year in 2020, raising a record more than $83 billion during the year as Wall Street tycoons and celebrities opted for the unconventional means of bypassing the traditional IPO process. And this momentum has continued into 2021, with SPACs already have raised more than $59 billion so far this year, only 2 months passed in 2021. You see these curves? Before 2020, SPACs were not so popular, but since 2020, these two rows, it looks like there is a shortcut to get listed at the stock market, and that is through SPACs. This chart is a summary of funds raised by SPACs. We can notice that these numbers keep getting bigger and bigger, and the first 2 months of 2021, $59 billion gross proceeds already, and compared to last year's $83 billion. So we have 10 more months this year, and I believe this number will go much higher. These Wall Street tycoons and celebrities include Bill Ackman, who made $1.4 billion in less than a year, Shaquille O'Neal, Alex Rodriguez, Serena Williams, Grammy Award-winning singer Ciara, astronaut Scott Kelly, and music mogul David Geffen. Chamath also has a series of SPAC, IPO A, B, C, D, E, F, and etc. SPACs themselves have essentially no commercial operations, but are instead created to raise funds to later acquire a private company to bring it public. Companies from Nikola, NKLA, to Virgin Galactic, SPCE, and DraftKings, DKNG, made their public debut via SPACs. And some other SPAC mergers, including that of the electric car maker Lucid Motors, are on the horizon. We all know that CCIV went up huge amount and then dropped when the SPAC was announced. Ackman wanted to make the Airbnb go public through his SPAC but failed. Airbnb went public through the traditional IPO process. Okay, let's take a look at a successful story. A company went public through a SPAC. Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic Holdings, ticker symbol SPCE. Virgin Galactic Holdings, an integrated aerospace company, developed human spaceflight for private individuals and researchers. It also manufactures air and space vehicles. ARK's upcoming new ETF, ARKX, may hold this stock SPCE, therefore SPCE has great potential to surge. Why Virgin Galactic went SPAC? Richard Branson was asked why Virgin Galactic had gone public using a SPAC. Richard Branson replied, "I'm impatient." Branson was half right. A SPAC makes it a lot easier for a company to go public, but impatience was probably not the main reason Virgin Galactic went SPAC. In Virgin Galactic's case, Branson's space company attracted the attention of Chamath SPAC. In October 2019, Virgin Galactic merged with Chamath SPAC, Social Capital Hedosophia, and began trading under the Virgin name SPCE on the New York Stock Exchange. Since Virgin Galactic went public successfully, going SPAC has become a bit of a trend. And since then, Chamath SPAC has created many SPACs, including IPO A, B, C, D, E, F, and he has become a celebrity. Especially Chamath IPO E and IPO F are worth analyzing and paying attention to. They have great potential. Because of the length of the video and current market situation, I'll try to make more videos in the next couple days analyzing the market. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below what are some of your favorite SPACs that you are looking into. Do you have any SPAC you're holding right now? I would love to know and read any comments and suggestions you have. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.